Hi and welcome back to another Langmuir Systems Fusion 360 tutorial video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to install and activate Fusion 360. The first thing you're going to want to do is open up your favorite web browser and head to the Langmuir Systems Downloads page. On the Downloads page you'll find various links to different software packages and plugins to use with your Crossfire machine. In this video we'll be working with Fusion 360, so let's click that download button and we'll head to the Autodesk website. On this website, you can download the free trial of Fusion 360. You can also see if you qualify for a free license, either by being a student or educator, or by just being a hobbyist or a startup making less than $100,000 a year. If you qualify for one of those licenses, you can click the step-by-step guide link, or just keep watching this video. Heading back to the Fusion 360 website, we'll click on the Download Free Trial button and fill out the form. After clicking the download free trial button again, we're taken to the download page and the download should start in your web browser. We'll double click on that to open the file when it's finished downloading. The program that's downloaded from Autodesk is another client program that downloads and sets up Fusion 360 on your computer. So depending on the speed of your network and the speed of your computer, this could take varying amounts of time. This process took about 10 minutes on this computer, but I'll speed it up here so you don't have to wait. And once the setup is complete, Fusion 360 will open for the first time. And the first thing you'll see is a sign-in box where you can either sign in to your existing Autodesk account or create a new one. I'll create a new one here. And I'll verify my email address by clicking on the link that gets sent to me from Autodesk. That link takes us back to the web browser where we'll sign in with the same credentials again. And our account is now verified. Now we'll head back to the Fusion 360 program and once again sign in with our Autodesk credentials. And here you can choose to enable two-factor authentication. And once again, we're told to wait as Fusion 360 finishes setting up. And finally, we've reached the Fusion 360 workspace, and we are greeted with a number of helpful tips and tricks from Autodesk, which I definitely recommend looking at. You can start designing and programming your own projects at this time, or if it's your first time looking at Fusion 360, I'd check out the Getting Started section, or take a look at our other videos. Next, we'll take a look at activating your license for Fusion 360. So click on the blue bar with the trial term on it, and you're presented with a little survey of how you'll use Fusion 360. Fill out the question, and then you'll be presented with a buy button, which you'll have to use if you're a commercial business making more than $100,000 a year. However, there's also the blue line at the bottom where you can qualify for free use if you once again meet these criteria. After choosing a role that best matches your use of Fusion 360, click on it and then agree to the terms that pop up next. Hit continue and you're all set to run Fusion 360. That's it for this video, but there are plenty more on our YouTube channel or on langmuirsystems.com. Thanks for watching.